Today I'm going to talk about manufacturing versus licensing. I'm going to explain why manufacturing and selling products online is more profitable than licensing. Would you believe the odds of getting a licensing deal is less than 0.2%? Well, continue watching this video and you may never consider licensing again. I often get asked the question, is it best to manufacture and sell products online or license to another company? Let's start off with, what is licensing? When you license to another company, you give them permission to manufacture and sell your product in exchange for a royalty fee. The reason a company will license from you is to get an immediate increase in revenue and profits, as well as grow market share in a particular category. But the biggest mistake entrepreneurs make when they come up with a new product idea or invention is wanting to license. Many people believe licensing is easier, less expensive, and less risk due to misinformation on the internet and TV commercials. Well, this is flat out wrong. And I'm going to explain why I recommend manufacturing and selling products online 99.8% of the time. So let's review the process to license a new product idea or invention. First, you will need to develop a concept and file a provisional patent so your filing date can be recorded. Then hire a professional product design firm to develop your product using 3D computer-aided design software, then build a physical prototype. Not a virtual prototype like some companies offer, as this is nothing more than a useless animation. Once you have validated your design through prototyping, I would then recommend filing for a non-provisional patent. But the patenting process is expensive and usually takes 2 or more years to complete. And the odds of getting a utility patent is only 48%. Yes, that is a little less than a 50% odds. If your patent is approved by the patent office and you build a working prototype, you will then need to make a list of companies that sell products in the same or similar category, get past the gatekeepers, schedule appointments, then fly around the world pitching your product idea or invention to various companies. You will most likely spend a fortune on travel, hotel, and food expenses in an effort to land a licensing deal, which almost never happens. And whatever you do, don't even consider hiring one of those licensing companies, as they are all scams. Now, this is the most important part. What people don't know is the success rate of licensing is less than 0.2%. And even the lucky ones that do get a licensing deal only make 3 to 5% in royalties on their idea. Meanwhile, manufacturing and selling products online can produce profit margins in the 3 to 500% range. Using our program, your success rate could be as much as 86% if you get to the working prototype stage and consider crowdfunding. So manufacturing and selling your new product online will actually be less expensive, less risk, faster to market, and you will make real money. By the way, revenue is usually 100 times more than royalties. And you are over 18 times more likely to profit while gambling in a casino, playing roulette, than getting a licensing deal. So let us walk you through the process to successfully design, prototype, manufacture, and launch your new product idea to the market versus trying to license.